Have you ever wondered how the universe became enriched with heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron? Join us as we unravel this cosmic mystery. The universe began primarily with hydrogen and helium. Through processes like supernovae explosions, these elements have been transformed into heavier ones. Stars form from clouds of gas rich in hydrogen and helium. Inside stars, nuclear fusion converts these light elements into heavier ones like carbon and oxygen. Supernovae explosions distribute heavy elements throughout galaxies when massive stars end their lives. This enriches the cosmic soup with metals essential for planet formation. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, shows us what the universe looked like just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. It was dense and hot but lacked heavier elements. Galaxy chemical abundances have historically been challenging to measure, but advancements in astronomy now allow us to understand how galaxies evolve chemically over time. Understanding cosmic enrichment helps explain the diversity of elements found on Earth and other planets. It's a fundamental part of our cosmic heritage. So there you have it, the universe enriches itself through stellar processes leading to the diversity we see today. What did you find most surprising about this cosmic enrichment? Let us know in the comments.